This is the Southside School of Financial Freedom Watch List and Market Report for the week ending November 5th, 2022. Our question this week is, what are the top option trading strategies? The answer will be provided later in the video. This week, the market ended lower. The Dow Jones Industrial Average increased 1.26% on Friday, but was down minus 1.4% for the week. The S&P 500 increased 1.36% on Friday, but was down minus 3.35% for the week. The Nasdaq increased 1.28% on Friday, but was down minus 5.65% for the week. Looking at the week, we can see that there were only 3 up finishes versus 12 down finishes for the major indexes. On Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, all the major indexes finished down. On Friday, they all finished up. The new unemployment claims were 217,000. U.S. payrolls surged by 261,000 in October. Private payrolls rose 239,000. Labor costs increased 3.5% for the third quarter. Job openings surged in September. The 10-year U.S. Treasury yield turned higher after the Fed approved a 75 basis points hike in the federal funds rate. New unemployment claims, U.S. payrolls surging, private payrolls rising, labor costs increasing, job openings surging, the 10-year U.S. Treasury yield turning higher, and the Fed hiking the federal funds rate by 75 basis points are all news, and news drives the market, good and bad. Day-to-day predictions on whether the market is going to go up or down are virtually impossible because predicting the news is impossible. However, the market is rigged to go up. It does not go up every day or even every week, but the market will generally go up over time. Stock prices move in a random fashion. They go up and down with an upward drift. The market will go up when the powers that be want the market to go up. While there are many powers out there, the top 5 powers that be are the Federal Reserve, big financial institutions, big corporations, the President, and Congress. These 5 entities will do what they must to drive the market higher. Now we are at our question of the week. What are the top option trading strategies? There are over 100 option trading strategies. However, the top or most common option trading strategies are the long call, the long put, the bull call spread, the naked call, the naked put, the bear put spread, the covered call, the protective put, and the straddle. Have you ever heard about these strategies or terms? No? Then do you really understand the stock market and the various ways to invest and trade? Buy low and sell high is the basic stock market mantra. But how do you know when a stock is low and how do you know when a stock is high? The stock market is simple and complex. The greatest fallacy about stock options is that trading options is too complex for the common person. Well, trading stock options can be complex, but it can also be very simple. Increasing your overall understanding of the stock market and the U.S. financial system will allow you to understand what is complex and what is simple. It would allow you to trade in a simple way, especially when simple is just as profitable and often more profitable than trying to apply a complex strategy. The Southside strategy is a simple stock options trading strategy that generates cash flow. Do you know how to use stock options for cash flow? Or do you own any stocks at all? If not, why not? Is it because you do not understand anything about the stock market? Well, it was not taught to you in school. If you ever want to learn how to get wealth and income through the stock market, you are going to have to teach yourself. You must RSI, that is, read, save, and invest. Formal school taught you how to read, but society and the powers that be discourages you from reading, especially books. School taught you to be a worker, they did not teach you how to be an investor, and they taught you absolutely nothing about the U.S. financial system. You can learn how to be an investor if you simply start reading books about investing, books that you can borrow from the library for free or buy cheaply online. It is not difficult to learn how to be a passive investor, which is what most people should do. Check out this list of recommended books on the books page of the Southside website. These books and others like them will not tell you which direction the market is going to go, but you can learn how to make money in the market no matter what the market does. I don't know which way the market is going to go on a daily basis, and I don't care. I trade the market as it is, not as it should be. I take what the market gives me, whether it's going up, down, or even sideways. How do I do that? I apply the Southside strategy. You can learn more about the Southside trading strategy at southsideschooloffinancialfreedom.com. Here is the Southside trading watch list from the week ending November 5th, 2022. The strongest performer on the list this week was Wynn Resorts Limited, ticker symbol WYNN in the second column. It was up 6.51% on Friday and was up 21.46% for the week. Wynn Resorts Limited designs, develops, and operates integrated resorts, which includes hotels and casinos in Las Vegas and Macau. Looking at a summary of results, you can see that Wynn has decreased almost 17% year to date. I did not trade Wynn this week, but I have traded it in the past. Whether a stock goes up or down, you can generate cash flow from it. Whether you own a stock or not, you can still generate cash flow from it using the Southside strategy. The Southside trading strategy involves trading for weekly cash flow, that is, trading for income. SPY is shown at the bottom of the third column. SPY is the S&P 500 ETF. This is the benchmark I compare my trading performance to. My objective is to beat the S&P 500 index while at the same time generating cash flow. Most professional money managers do not consistently outperform the S&P 500 index. They usually lose and lose badly to the index. Most investors and traders should just invest in or trade a market index fund or ETF like SPY. What do you do? Do you beat the S&P 500 index? Do you have a watch list? What is your investing and or trading strategy? How well do you do against the S&P 500 index ETF SPY? Let me know in the comments section. Are you willing to share your strategy? The Southside portfolio cash flow system is outperforming the S&P 500 index ETF SPY in 2022. The Southside portfolio is up 1.61% versus minus 20.76% down for SPY, a difference of 22.37%. The Southside is beating SPY by over 22%. The cash flow generated by the Southside cash flow system for this week was 6.86% of the portfolio account value. The account value changed by 2.22%. Meanwhile, the S&P 500 ETF SPY changed by minus 3.26%. Bitcoin watch. Bitcoin gained 3.34% this past week, but it continues to be in a bear market. It is down almost 69% from its all-time high achieved in November 2021. I sold option contracts on two positions this week, two puts that range from $30.35 to $127.01. You can get more details, including the total dollar amount of cash flow for the week, on the website SouthsideSchoolOfFinancialFreedom.com. To increase your financial IQ and understanding of the stock market, please check out past videos for other questions of the week. The videos are organized in playlists level 1, 2, and 3. Level 1 is for beginners, level 2 is for intermediate, and level 3 is for more advanced investors and traders. The videos are also arranged in playlists by subject matter. In the meanwhile, please like, share, and subscribe.